Today we are gonna show you how to eliminate annoying AC odors. If you ever had a car that had a smelly AC system, you can easily eliminate that with the Vista AC Vent Clean and odor eliminator. If you purchase a brand new car that had that original new car scent, you can easily get that back to your car using Vista AC Vent Clean. Now we are gonna flush the AC system and we are gonna show you all the steps. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and turn on the car and set up your AC. You want to spray it through the AC system to kill any bacteria and eliminate any odors throughout the system. All cars have different types of AC system, but we are gonna give you the steps that will work on most cars. First thing I like to do is set the temperature on my AC to low. I am also going to turn up my fan all the way to high. And the next step is to turn on recirculate button. Recirculate is the key step because by recirculating the air you can flush your whole AC system. Now let's grab the Vista AC Vent Clean. This AC Vent Clean has an air freshener and odor eliminator built inside of it. It's not just going to place the new car smell back into the vehicle. Turn off the engine. Fix the extension tube on the nozzle. Insert the open end of the tube into the AC vent and push it till reaches to the maximum. Spray the product till the foam overflows from the AC duct grill. Ensure to apply in all the AC vent grills of the vehicle. Allow for 10 to 15 minutes, which will ensure effective cleaning. Switch on blower from low speed to high speed and keep a clean cloth and vent to collect residues. Wipe off with a clean cloth. Change the blower mode to AC mode for few minutes for complete cleaning. That's it. Have fun, stay clean, keep on detailing. If you want to buy this product, link in the description.